Hey guys, Chris Hockstead, one of the owners of Exit Real Estate Partners, a full-service real estate brokerage here in downtown Downers Grove at 4901 Main Street. Whether you're looking for a new career in real estate, we offer top-notch training and the latest technology and a great marketing department to take care of all your marketing needs when you're helping people sell their home. Whether you're a consumer and you want to do everything here in downtown Downers Grove, not only do we have an in-house title company with title transfer, we can buy and sell properties with our agents, and we have in-house lending with Revolution Mortgage. We are active all the time and ready to help you. We're here to serve. Come on in and check our office out right now.